Hi everyone, my name is Amanda Kennedy and I am the owner of Flourish Studio and Classroom in downtown Lafayette. And I wanted to take a second to update you with what we've been doing and what we're going to be doing with all of the things reopening and starting to get to some sense of normalcy. So we operate a social experience business. Our art studio is based in social experiences, and it's been very interesting and sometimes challenging to figure out what that looks like in a land where social experiences have not been allowed. So we've really actually enjoyed creating virtual options and Flourish at Home kits where you can take some of our studio and be practicing it on your own in your home. But we also recognize that it's important for people to be together and to build connections in real life, face to face, and we've been working really hard to try to figure out what that looks like for our studio and for our space. If you've been here before, you know that we share a lot. We share a lot of laughs, we share a lot of smiles, we share a lot of stories, we share a lot of supplies, we touch a lot of things, and we have the freedom to explore different art mediums and art supplies that are around the studio. And because of that, it makes reopening under current guidelines a bit of a challenge. So some of the things that we're going to be doing are things that we've done all along to ensure health and safety. And we're also going to have some new practices coming up and some new classes and ideas for you as well. We're also going to start opening up times for private lessons, and we're in the process of creating some outside art classes that we'll be able to enjoy at local venues around the area, outside with lots of space. We're so excited about all the things to come, and we truly appreciate all of your encouragement and support during all of this. Thank you for being so flexible and so understanding, and we can't wait to see you all again soon.